What is up, boys and girls? Mpire Steve back with you yet again. Today I want to show you all the reason why I took that trade this morning. If you caught my live, you would have seen that. And I did join the live a little late, but if you caught my live, you'll have seen me show you this right here. So for all you ICT haters, this is for you. So you have the London session, right? And the important times are between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. So here's your 3 a.m. low right here. I have a blue line. You can't see it. It's mixed in with this indicator. And then you have this London session high. This is that 422. That's where we created this high. So I mark it out right here. That's the low and that's the high. And if you've seen any of ICT's content, this time frame is important. And you have this low, which we sweep this low right here. And this is 519. And we take that low out. So I knew that we were going to then take out this London session high. And not only did we take out that high, we went even higher. So we take it out and the market opens. And you can see that we do not. This is the low, and we come up and come back down, but we do not go below this low. So then I was looking for, and I was in a trade in here. So I'll try and show you. So exactly when I was busy and I could not, wrong one. I was on a work call, but you have right here, nope. Wrong one, I'm an idiot. So let me grab it again. So you have there to there. And you have this fair value gap. I got in here and I held it. I actually sold here and then I went long again when the market opened because you see this big candle. It's 9:30. I knew that we were going to run and take this out. And then as soon as we took this out, we have this bounce and I went long again, one contract, and was looking for this high right here. And we do exactly that. So I know my chart looks a little crazy right now, but then I want to show you something else. Okay, then we knew we had news at 2. So here's that news at 2. So then what's another time frame that he tells you about? It's 12 a.m., which you have this low here. So this is 1201. We'll call it this. It's 12. This is the low from 1201 right here. And I'm gonna bring it like that. Okay, and then you have the high, which is right in here. So you have this high right here. So we took out this lunchtime high right after. So here's 1 o'clock. Okay, we come down, we do take it out. This is at 2 o'clock, that news. Okay, we take out this lunchtime high, and then you can see, what do? We then go take out the lunchtime low, and then right after that, the market goes back up, right? So those time frames are very important. So you want to look at you always want to mark out your London session highs and lows. And you can look for ICT silver bullets. And here's your ICT silver bullet. And you're going to look for that between 10 and 11. Okay, that's from 10 a.m. Eastern time to 11. You look for your silver bullets. And you're just looking for a fair value gap. And here you go. Here's your fair value gap. I even talked about this in my live. I was shorting it thinking we were struggling to get above 15,400 again, and I was wrong. But then you have this, we came right down in here. I talked about this as well. And then poof. So here we are. This is 15,366 all the way up to 15,432. That's 60 points almost. It's like 55 points or so. Then we create another imbalance or fair value gap right here. You could have got some more. This is still within that window. We get another one. This is 388 up to 416, another 20 plus points. So, and then I took this short. I did it off stream. So we have a fair value gap formed right here, bearish. We right here, boom. And I shorted this and I held it. And I was thinking that we were going to come take these lows out. I have it drawn on my NinjaTrader chart. So I took this short. I went in big size and held it. And this was my target. And if you guys watch Nutty Bar Trading, I even said it in his live that he was going long and I was shorting right here. And my target was 15,365. So, and I sold right at 15,365. Right here, filled my target, boom. Pretty simple. It's not very difficult. Is every fair value gap going to work out? No. But if you use your noggin, which I did, it will work out. Big boy money today. I'm not going to brag about it. I don't really want to talk about it. It'll jinx me. I've already talked about it. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. So I don't want to jinx myself for tomorrow. But that's basically it. So you're looking for the London session high and low. That's between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Eastern time, New York time. Mark those out. When we sweep one, we're going to likely do the opposite, going the other way. And then you want to look for 10 to 11. Look for that. And it's a little, not always going to work out, but you're going to look for fair value gaps to play inside of these at this time frame, just fair value gaps. Those are called silver bullets. And then you want to look for between 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. Draw out the highs and the lows, which we did that. And technically it was right here. It's technically this one. We took this out, and then I knew we were going to come take these lows out. I did not trade this. I just kind of watched it. Didn't want to trade anymore. But you can see within this 2 to 3 p.m. we did all of it. We took it out, and then we have this high, and price comes back up, and it took a while. It's 3:30, and we took out this high. This would be your buy side liquidity, and this is your sell side. This was your sell side liquidity. So we took out the sell side, and we go right back up and take out the buy side. Pretty simple. You just look for a fair value gap. You got one right here to go long. You got one here to go short. You got here to go long. You get it, and you hold it. This would have been my target 1. That would have been 2, and that would have been 3, and you can see they all would have gotten met. I did not trade it. I was done for the day, so I stuck to my plan. But tonight I should be getting a 100K static account. It's Apex. I've only done Apex. Apex is still the GOAT in my eyes until someone proves me wrong. But Top Step looks appealing. Bulenox is good, and it's got its pros and cons. I am looking a little bit into who am I going to get my 150K end of day account with. It's going to be either TakeProfit Trader or Top Step. I haven't really decided yet. I'll decide that hopefully by the end of this week. And they're both about similar. I like TakeProfit's. I like their payout policy is a little bit better. It's a little bit more appealing, but we'll just have to see. I'm going to do more research and go from there. But I hope that you found value in this video. If you have something you want me to go over in another video, let me know. But I definitely want you guys and girls to start drawing out these highs and lows from these different sessions. It's not very difficult. It just takes a few trades a day to be consistently profitable. Trading all day is not, it's never going to get you there. Just trust. But let me know what you got. The Apex sale ends tomorrow night. Bulenox, I think, ends on the Friday. I think it ends at Friday, but ooh, don't quote me on it. what to see. I'll leave everything down below in the description if you want my links and whatnot. They'll all be down there. But I hope you all have a good evening, and we will see you tomorrow. I will be going live at 10 a.m. tomorrow. You all take care and have a good evening. Bye.